For many seniors, the hardest part of the day isn't walking. It's standing up. That quiet moment after sitting for a while, when your body leans forward, your hands press against the chair, and your legs hesitate for just a second. Maybe you felt it too. You stand, but your body doesn't respond immediately. And for a brief moment, you feel unstable, heavy, slow. Most people assume this is just stiffness or normal aging. But the truth goes much deeper than that, because standing up is actually one of the most demanding movements your body performs every single day. It may look simple, but your body is doing something incredibly complex in just a few seconds. Your muscles must generate force quickly. Your joints must move smoothly. Your balance system must instantly adjust to a new position. And your nervous system must coordinate everything at the exact same time. Standing up is not one movement. It's a full-body coordination test. And after 60, that coordination can begin to slow down quietly. Not because your body is failing, but because certain systems are no longer communicating as efficiently as they once did. Your leg muscles may still be strong enough to walk, but standing up requires something different. It requires rapid activation, fast signaling, instant support. And when those signals slow down, your body hesitates. That hesitation is often one of the earliest warning signs that mobility is beginning to change. The good news? This can improve, because the body still adapts to the signals you give it every day. And in this video, I'm going to show you why this happens after 60, what your body is really trying to tell you, and the simple daily habits that can help you stand up with more strength, more confidence, and more independence. The first reason standing up becomes harder after 60 is something most people never notice happening. Your thigh muscles are slowly weakening, especially the quadriceps. These are the large muscles on the front of your thighs, and every time you stand up, they are responsible for lifting your body weight against gravity. When those muscles lose strength, your body begins to compensate. That's why many seniors start pushing off the chair with their hands, or leaning forward first before standing. You may also notice that standing up feels slower than it used to. Not painful, just harder, heavier, less automatic. And here's the important part. Walking alone does not fully train these muscles, because standing up requires a burst of force, not just movement. It requires your muscles to activate quickly and support your body instantly. The good news? This is one of the most trainable problems after 60. A simple exercise called the sit-to-stand drill can help rebuild that strength safely. Sit in a sturdy chair. Cross your arms if possible. Then slowly stand up. And sit back down with control. Even 5 repetitions a day can begin reactivating the muscles your body depends on every time you rise. Because independence doesn't begin with walking. It begins with being able to stand up with confidence. The second reason standing up feels harder after 60 may surprise you. Sometimes, the problem is not your muscles, it's the signal. Many seniors notice a strange moment of hesitation before standing. You lean forward, you prepare to move, but your body seems to pause for a second, almost like a brief delay between the decision to stand and the movement itself. That feeling is real, and it often happens because communication between the brain and muscles has slowed down. As we age, the nervous system processes movement less efficiently, signals travel more slowly, reaction timing changes, and coordination takes slightly longer than it once did. Sometimes the muscles are ready, but the signal arrives too slowly. That tiny delay may only last a second, but over time, it can affect confidence, balance, and overall mobility. This is why many seniors say, "I feel stiff when getting up." But often, it's not stiffness alone, it's delayed activation. The good news? Your brain and body can still retrain this connection. Simple daily movement practice, especially slow, controlled standing exercises, can help your nervous system respond faster again. Because movement is not just about strength, it's about communication. And when the brain and body work together smoothly, standing up begins to feel natural again. The third reason standing up becomes harder after 60 is something modern life quietly trains the body to do. Sit too long, and the body begins to power down. Many seniors notice this feeling. After sitting for a while, their legs feel weak when they first stand up. The first few steps feel stiff, slow, or unstable. Then after moving a little, the body gradually feels better again. That pattern is not random. When you stay seated too long, circulation slows down, blood flow to the legs decreases, muscles become less activated, and the nervous system shifts into a lower alert state. So when you suddenly stand up, your body needs time to wake up again. That's why the first few seconds often feel the hardest. The good news? A very small habit can make a surprisingly big difference. Before standing up, try gentle movement first. Rotate your ankles, tap your feet, tighten and release your thigh muscles. Even 10 to 15 seconds of light movement can help reactivate circulation. Wake up the muscles and prepare your body to move more smoothly. Because after 60, mobility is not just about exercise, it's about how often you remind the body to stay active throughout the day. Small movement signals. Keep the body ready to move. The fourth reason standing up feels more difficult after 60 has less to do with strength and more to do with balance. Many seniors notice this moment. They stand up, and for 1 or 2 seconds, they feel slightly unsteady. Not enough to fall, but enough to pause, enough to grab the chair or wait before taking the first step. And this happens because your balance system must adjust extremely quickly when you move from sitting to standing. The moment you rise, your center of gravity changes, blood pressure shifts, your inner ear, your vision, your muscles, and your nervous system must instantly work together to stabilize the body. After 60, that adjustment process often becomes slower. So even if your legs are strong, your body may still hesitate while trying to regain stability. And here's the important insight. The danger isn't standing up. It's the moment right after. That brief, unstable moment is where many stumbles begin. The good news? Balance can be retrained. A simple habit like pausing for 2 seconds after standing before walking can help your body stabilize safely. Because confidence in movement doesn't come from moving fast. It comes from giving your body enough time to regain control. The fifth reason standing up becomes harder after 60 is one of the quietest changes of all. Your body begins to avoid effort. At first, you may not even notice it happening. You stay seated a little longer. You avoid unnecessary trips around the house. You hesitate before using the stairs. And slowly, without realizing it, your body begins adapting to doing less movement. This is not laziness, it's survival efficiency. As the body ages, it naturally tries to conserve energy. So if standing up feels difficult, the brain starts encouraging behaviors that reduce how often you do it. And over time, this creates a dangerous cycle because the less often you stand up, the harder standing up becomes. muscles weaken faster, coordination slows down, balance becomes less automatic, and movements that once felt effortless begin requiring more thought, more preparation, and more energy. But here's the hopeful part. The body also adapts in the opposite direction. Small daily movement can teach the body to stay capable. Even simple habits, like standing up more frequently, walking short distances indoors, or using the stairs carefully, can help retrain strength, coordination, and confidence. Because mobility after 60 is not only about exercise, it's about refusing to let the body become too comfortable with inactivity. Most people think weakness appears suddenly. One bad day, one painful moment, one unexpected fall. But often, that's not how it begins at all. It begins quietly. In small transitions, the body no longer handles smoothly. Standing up, turning around, taking the first step. Tiny movements most people never think about until they become difficult. And that's why I want to leave you with a simple routine that can help retrain the body to stand more safely, more smoothly, and with more confidence after 60. I call it the Stand Strong Routine. Step 1. Prepare. Before standing up, wake the body up first. Move your ankles. Tap your feet lightly. Tighten your thigh muscles for a few seconds. These small movements help reactivate circulation, stimulate the nervous system, and prepare the body to move. Step 2. Push. Practice sit-to-stand movements a few times each day. Slowly stand up from a chair, then sit back down with control. This strengthens the muscles your body relies on most every single time you rise. And step 3, stabilize. After standing, don't rush immediately into walking. Pause for 5 seconds. Let your balance system adjust. Let your body regain stability before taking the first step. Because strong legs help you walk, but coordinated legs help you rise. And that difference matters more than most people realize. Losing the ability to stand easily is often one of the first quiet signs that the body needs more support. Not because you are weak, but because the systems that control movement need to be reawakened, retrained, and used consistently again. The encouraging news? The body still responds to practice, even after 60, even after years of slowing down. And in the next video, I'll explain why many seniors feel steady while walking, but suddenly lose balance while standing still.